Dr. Luke Strain for Advanced Health Chiropractic, standing here with the majority of the Advanced Health team. We have the wonderful Timberland, Rivera, Dr. Veer, Lewis, Dr. Leahy. We're missing my wonderful wife, Dr. Cassie. But we just wanted to wish you guys a happy holiday. I hope you spend it well with your family and friends and celebrate the holiday if you celebrate it. If not, bring it in the new year with your family and friends. But we just wanted to have a little bit of fun today and get everyone adjusted in some Santa hats. So, Dr. Leahy, you're up. Face down for me, my man. Right side down, face me. Alright, that's one elf adjusted. Next elf, please. Come on up. Yes, sir. Side down, all the way forward. Good. Nice job this side. Alright, next Santa helper. Who's up? Chest down. Bring this side down for me. Do your neck up, we work first. Lay chest down, or face down.
You just did.
I know it. Good noises. Next elf. Come on, Timberland. We'll modify how we do this.
Okay, so I don't know what to do.
Just lay prone. Lewis, do you want to get up front and there's a new page coming at 2:30.
I'm on my show.
Facing the paper, Timberland. Scoot towards your feet.
Do what now?
Scoot towards your feet with your face in the face paper. There you go. Breathe around. So Timberland, first thing I'm not going to adjust your neck manually because I want to see what it looks like. Where the activator. Yeah. So this activator is just use it on kids, geriatrics.
Oh, geriatrics. Oh, nice.
No, car accidents and people that haven't looked at their neck. When you adjust your thoracic spine, you're going to find those fixes around your mid-T's, a little bit of pressure. There you're really locked up. Hold there. I'm going to rotation up top for you. Relax on the shoulder. Roll down. right side, Timberland face me. All the way, bend this knee, other way. It's on. Jabs. Just jab this side. Timberland, you need to do a day one. X-rays, get your spine adjusted. Just there, rotate. Good shoulder behind you. Onto your back. Grab my elbow. Use me. Nice job. There you go. It's a Sandler adjustment. Stop behind the arm, adjust you. I'm going to do it again and you can adjust me.
You got it?
Alright. Just rattle through this one. This side down for me. This side. It's fell off. Nice job. Alright, that's it.
All right. Swap, hot swap.
No pace hard in the back until Josh sure.
Jeez.
I've been adjusting for about a week. Oh yeah.
Go on, your side face me.
Breathe in.
Moved wonderfully.